Hey, good afternoon. This is Bob Trade Genius, 16th of May. I'm going to look here at the SPY chart, and if you notice, we formed a shoulder here, and then a head, and then we touched one of the magic channel lines here, and then we've been bouncing, and then into the close, we start to roll back over again, and now we are overbought. So one or two things are going to happen. Yeah, I'm going to make a really hard decision here. Either the rollover continues down and we break down to here, or it was another test of the VWAP, which I'll show you here. And these are both 2-hour charts, and it's going to push higher again. You know, I'm unsure. I think there's still weakness here, but we'll just have to wait and see. And if I go over to this chart here, my signal's still telling me that it's okay to have a put position. And if it flips on me, then I'll have to reevaluate. But we rolled over on the money flow here, and we're still not breaking the trend dot. So, and we're still pretty far removed from VWAP. So that's that. And then IWM had a bit of a breakout too, obviously, and give it a second here, and it also started to come back in, and it closed right at these highs here. So, and it held, so it broke through and held, and right on VWAP for IWM for the daily VWAP, and so we may have a continuation here. So we'll have to wait and see, but it's still really struggling. And then oil held up today, just amazing. Oil's just been amazing to me, and just speculators are just pushing it and pushing it and pushing it. And I guess one of these days it's just going to release down. But it's a good time to short oil, but it's just not letting you. And so it's been a busted trade for me. On the other hand, UNG has been a good trade, and move stop up, and I'll move it up again tomorrow up to about right here, and take off profit if I can. And related to that, Southwestern Energy is doing pretty well too. It's just grinding higher, but it's getting to a point here now where it's going to get overbought, and unless it's going to really break out, that'll probably be a place to take profit on that. And then we entered a position today on XME, and it looks like it's going to just keep grinding higher too. And it was just a reversal of the trend dots, and just caught the open on it, and just going to ride it, see where it goes. But I think it's we have a breakout of a cup and handle here, and so that's almost textbook. So it could come down and test it from the top side. It does that sometimes, and then go. This is a 3-point move, so I'm thinking 37.50 to 40.50 is probably the range. Still not too late to take advantage and jump on this one if you want. I did close my LAC today though. It just blew right out. And I'm not really sure what's going on with that. I didn't check the news. I never check the news. But anyway, this was just really rocketed it. So I figured I'm going to take profit. My biggest problem as a trader, sometimes I hold on too long, and then I let things roll back on me. So just had some discipline on it today, and made some nice profit off this, and keeping an eye on it. And then when I enter back in, I'll enter back in on lithium. And lithium's kind of doing the same thing here a little bit. Not quite as clean of a cup. This is more like a cup and handle here that broke out, but it broke back down to VWAP. But I think lithium's going to keep moving too. And then on the miners, AG pulled back and then pushed up again. It's just holding good strength, even though gold and silver aren't doing anything. And let's take a look at silver. It started to get a little bit of a push this morning. Came back up to VWAP here, and it's sitting. And it's just amazing to me that how well they're holding silver in this range. I mean, literally buy at 15.25, sell at 16, rinse and repeat for about a year, and you'd have made good money. But that's not how human nature is. People will buy the top and sell the bottom. But man, that is a grinding range. And let's see if anything else in there. I don't know. Pretty much all I really want to talk about, and so we'll just have to wait and see what tomorrow brings. But they're going to try to push it to all-time highs, because that's what happened with the small caps today and the Dow. And but SPY has not been following suit just yet. So we'll just have to see what's going to happen with that. But anyway, thanks for listening, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.